Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Good Times for All, or Zachary Zabala here if you prefer. In this video, we will be moving different types of matter with an electric field. In a previous video, I showed how I could move a piece of tissue paper using a Van de Graaff generator to charge two pizza trays to line up opposite the electric field of Earth. This simply means I put the negative charge on top and the positive on the bottom. As you can see, the paper lifted up from the bottom plate and stuck to the top plate, defying gravity. I had many people ask if other materials could be moved within the field, and I figured out how to do just that. I calculated that with the Earth's size we are given scaled down to 1 foot across, the highest mountain ranges would be shorter than the width of a human hair from the surface. This told me I would have to use very small objects, which to scale would still be taller than the highest mountains. I first started with sawdust, which is just very fine wood shavings left over when cutting wood. As you can see, when I charge the plates, many pieces of wood rise up from the bottom plate and stick to the top and remain there as long as I apply the current. Next, I use iron filings, which I knew because of their density and size might give me trouble. To my surprise, I was able to get the very fine pieces to act just like the tissue paper, while others barely moved, if they moved at all. A very interesting thing I noticed was that some filings raised up into the air, never quite touching the top plate, then falling off in a parabolic arc from where it started. Nonetheless, a noticeable force was applied to the iron filings from the electric field change. Last of all, I used human hair to be my once living organism, as I will not test on living creatures. To no surprise, after the first two observations, the hair also rose from the surface of the bottom plate and stuck to the top, just like the others. I am attempting to create a small, unbroken sphere of water onto the plates, but have had difficulties. Any ideas on making small standing water spheres would be greatly appreciated, so if you have any, please drop them in the comment section below. This is Good Times for All here, signing out. As always, thanks for watching.